Good afternoon to all of you, my colleague officers, employees of South Central Railway, respected office bearers and representatives of South Central Railway Employees and South Central Railway Mazdoor Union, SC and ST Association, OBC Association, RPF Association, ladies and gentlemen. I am so happy to participate in 126th birth anniversary of Bharat Ratna Baba Sahab Dr. Bhim Rao Ambedkar ji. We celebrate birth anniversary every year, and to my mind, the main objective of celebrating birth anniversary every year to take inspiration from his life. As we saw the documentary, it was a unique documentary. Dr. Ambedkar was a great visionary and statesman. He was having the highest education during that time. He did his PhD in economics. Everybody know that he is architect of Indian Constitution. But in addition to that, he was a great economist, educationist, and social reformer. In my opinion, we can learn two things from his life. First, whatever is the difficult situation, if you have willpower, if you have sincerity, if you want to hard work, you can achieve anything. Dr. Bhim Rao Ambedkar ji, as you all know, he was born to a very unprivileged family, downtrodden family. He was having absolutely no resources, no facilities, and then also he could empower himself. He could get so much education. And the second important thing is, most of the people, when they are empowered, they forget about others. Dr. Ambedkar, he always fought for the downtrodden and underprivileged people. So, while we are celebrating his birth anniversary, we should learn from his life. And the message is that whatever the difficult situation is, we should try hard to achieve the best. And we should help people around us, especially the underprivileged people, the downtrodden people, the people who does not have resources, who does not have facilities. We should try and help them and bring to a certain standard. If we can do that, even I'm talking in terms of South Central Railway, if we could help the people around us who are really underprivileged, it will be a great celebration for Dr. Bhim Rao Ambedkar birth anniversary. We should always remember that helping people, underprivileged people, is the great achievement for yourself. If you are helping people to come up to a higher standard, not only you are helping them, you certainly and definitely get satisfaction, which gives happiness to your life also. So that is the main message from his life. With these words, thank you so much. Jai Hind.